Only 20% of the population is the preferred target of mosquitoes, according to laboratory studies. But contrary to popular beliefs, having mosquito-prone skin is a myth. Let me explain why mosquitoes are only targeting you. There are around 3,500 mosquito species in the world, spread across all continents with the exception of Antarctica. Mosquitoes spot their prey using the CO2 that they exhale. They can detect the person from 50 meters away. People who are overweight emit more CO2, making them more prone to bites. Likewise, pregnant women are almost 2 times more likely to be bitten than average. Mosquitoes are also drawn to certain smells, especially sweat. So we are more likely to be bitten after doing exercise. The smells that attract them also depend on one's body temperature, the bacteria on our skin, and our genes. But these factors vary from one type of mosquito to the next. For example, Anopheles gambiae mosquitoes prefer the smell of our hands and feet. These mosquitoes also choose their targets based on blood type. A study found that mosquitoes landed on individuals with type O blood nearly twice as often as those with type A blood. People with type B blood fell somewhere in between the spectrum. Another factor that attracts mosquitoes is beer. But what does alcohol have to do with mosquito bites? In one experiment, researchers in Japan got a group of volunteers to drink a beer and then exposed them to mosquitoes. It was found that those who drank were bitten more than the control group. According to researchers, it might have happened because alcohol raises the body temperature of drinkers and makes them sweat more, both known to attract mosquitoes. The color of your clothing can also influence mosquito attraction. Research has shown that mosquitoes are attracted to dark colors, particularly black, but the exact reason for this preference is not well understood. But how can a mosquito's bite be dangerous to a human being? Mosquitoes are one of the deadliest animals on the planet. They act as vectors for diseases such as malaria, dengue, West Nile virus, yellow fever, Zika, chikungunya, and lymphatic filariasis, which together kill more people in the world than any other creature. As of 30th April 2024, India registered more than 19,000 confirmed cases of dengue. Zika virus has also become a public health concern in India. The Centre has issued an advisory to all states considering the rising Zika cases in Maharashtra, asking for constant vigil and focus on pregnant women who have tested positive for the infection. So, how can you protect yourself from these annoying bugs? Avoid shady or overgrown outdoor spaces and wet or moist areas, as mosquitoes are more prevalent in such places. Use extra protection during evenings and mornings when mosquitoes are most active. Use an insect repellent and wear shoes, socks, long pants, or a long-sleeved shirt to avoid mosquito bites. Reduce the amount of stagnant water available in or near your house to prevent mosquito breeding. Ensure your windows and doors have tight-fitting screens to prevent mosquito entry. Using a mosquito net is especially helpful.